I'm Jaime from Skycomp Solutions. Today I'm going to be talking to you about Excel and taking you through some tips and tricks, specifically some keyboard shortcuts to help you save time from the dreaded scrolling. So I have a table pulled up on here. This is just a sample table I got off Google. It's not our real data. It's just to show you a wide range of cells. This one specifically has 700 cells in it, which some companies do have that much data. So I'm just going to show you some keyboard shortcuts to make it a lot quicker for you when you have that many cells. So looking at this chart, it's kind of half formatted right now. As you can see in the first two columns here, they are kind of squished. The words don't show fully. You want to make that look a lot cleaner and a lot smoother. So a quick, easy trick is to go up to the little line between A and B, and you'll see that thick black line with the arrows. You just want to double click, and that widens that column completely so that all the letters are showing and it's easier to read. Next, looking at our chart, say I wanted to highlight a whole entire row. I would go to the top here, click Control Shift and arrow to the right. That will highlight the entire row. To click or highlight an entire column, same thing, you're on the same top cell, Control Shift down arrow. This highlights all 700 cells in that column. Quick, easy way to highlight instead of scrolling. Now you're up back to cell 678. You want to get back home to the top cell. Simply click Control Home, and that brings us back to the top. Another easy way, now we're going to format the actual table into a full chart to make it look cleaner and smoother. We're going to start with the first cell here. We're going to do our same keyboard shortcuts, Control Shift to the right and Control Shift down. This highlights your entire table, all 700 cells. We're going to go up to Format as a Table. Click in there. Now we can kind of customize it how you want. We're going to click on Skycomp blue here. And this highlights your entire table, makes it look a lot cleaner, a lot smoother, and easier to read as well. Another trick I'm going to show you is Autosum. I had no idea how to use Autosum before, and this saved my life, especially when someone has 700 cells. So let's, for example, go to our profit here. We're going to click the first cell. We're going to Control Shift down arrow, which highlights that entire column. And we're going to go up to this symbol here. This is Autosum. We're going to simply click and Control arrow down, and that totaled up the entire column. That took about 3 seconds rather than having to scroll through and put in a formula. That saved my life. Your last little tip would be, let's go back up, so Control Home takes us to the top. So let's say you send this over to your boss takes a look and says, oh, there's an issue on cell I-640. Now I'm back here scrolling away trying to find 640. An easier way to do that is simply go up to the name box, which is just at the top left here. We're going to click that and put in I-640 and enter. That takes us right down to 640 without scrolling. So that's an easy tip and a much quicker way of getting to different cells. All right, so that's all I have today. Thank you for watching. For more tips and tricks on Excel coming your way, please check out our YouTube channel.